Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative and very beautiful because in this video I am sharing a very pretty classy design ideas of hand embroidery like this nature inspired hut embroidery. Look at this closer view. You can use very beautiful and easy to make hand embroidery stitches like French knot, like bullion knot, pinwheel stitch, satin stitch, and very beautiful and creative artistic view of a hut have been shown in this whole entire collection. A very beautiful real life inspired, nature inspired real life plants, flowers, along with some nature inspired events like a bird sitting on a flower, some beautifully made easy stitches used, sunflower embroidery, along with a very beautiful and decent and elegant color combination of branches and leaves in different shades of green and brown, some artistic very beginners hand embroidery hoop art beginners kit, like even you can use thread work, and at the same time you can also use wool for making these embroidery patterns, some pom-pom stitch, matchbox stitch, a very beautiful satin stitch along with shaded patterns have been shown. I hope all of these design patterns are very creative and it seemed very good and entertaining for you, and kindly do try any one of these patterns for your next embroidery project, for your next embroidery hoop art. And with this allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Kindly watch the video till end and stay blessed. Don't forget to like my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are watching my content for the very first time. Hope to see you soon back on my channel in my new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves.